Swiss Army knife. What can be said about it? For the vast majority of us, we love them. Still, it does have its fair share of detractors who turn their nose up to it. The steel is too soft, it's too small, etc., etc. But if you think a small pocket tool can overachieve, with expectations that it can somehow perform like a full-tang custom knife with a set of craftsman tools attached to it, well, it's probably not for you anyhow. MacGyver carried one. In most episodes, he's seen getting out of perilous situations with a tinker. And when I was a kid, I had to have one of those red Wenger knives of awesomeness. And eventually, I had many. Enter the Victorinox Farmer. With its handsome aluminum oxide or Alox handles and press checkered grip, the Farmer is as cool looking as it is to use. I carry this with me everywhere I go in a system that includes a conventional folder or a tactical blade. The blade has about 2.5 inches of actual cutting surface. It's a great blade for general tasks, within reason of course. It stays pretty sharp and it touches up very easily. And it has a 3-inch saw, which is just awesome. The teeth make quick work of decent sized branches, and it glides just as easy in the pull stroke as it does the push stroke. It has a small screwdriver that sits atop a fantastic can opener. This can opener works excellent. On the opposite end, it's got a large flathead screwdriver with a cap lifter and a wire stripper. Now there's a lot of people that claim that the wire stripper isn't very good, but I find that a lot of those people that are saying that are using it incorrectly. And I'll probably do a video in the future detailing how to do that exactly. My favorite part of this tool is this, and that is the awl. It has a fantastic point for drilling into wood or even metal in some cases. It has a nice edge with a nice bite to it that produces an incredible amount of sparks off the fire steel. The Farmer has all the basic tools you'd expect to find in a basic pocket knife. This is my favorite out of them all. Thanks for watching.